Hi everybody, this is a review on the Bauer 10 amp rotary hammer kit from Harbor Freight. Um, so it's a little dusty, but it is brand new. I got it last night. We're gonna try to bust through about 6 inches of concrete with it using this SDS bit here. That looks like it's about an inch in diameter. So let's get it going and see how it does. Okay, so this is the concrete we're going to be attempting to go through. Looks like it's about a foot thick, almost. Jeez.
Pretty damn thick.
So we're going to start over here, and my buddy's going to record as I try to bust through it. Okay. So, an easy chuck. You just put the bit in like so. Let's see. Tighten your handle like that. Is it on hammer? It is. Is that on hammer? It's on hammer. Alright. So this is a hammer drill part. What is that? Oh, it's the depth gauge thing. That's nothing to worry about, guys. Optional depth gauge. Just a little. Here, hold that. Doing as good as you thought, or better.
And that's when he realized he fucked up. Just kidding. Dude, you went like an inch? That's cool. This will take a good 10 hours to make my route.
And then we switch it to hammer here. From hammer drill to
Just straight
hammer
hammer.
only.
I knew a girl who had a vibrator stronger than that. Not bad though.
That doesn't work bad. I think the rotary hammer drill definitely works better.
And it only took you 4 minutes.
Well, if we had the depth gauge attached, I guess we could see how far it is.
Damn.
Probably about 10 feet. Or 10 inches, sorry.
Doesn't look like it.
So, that's your 10 amp Harbor Freight rotary hammer in action.
Be sure you get the warranty.
Well, it comes with a 90-day warranty already.